How to embed YouTube video in LinkedIn post. To get started, first of all open up the YouTube application. You are now in the YouTube homepage. Here, you can explore and watch YouTube videos. Now, scroll down and go over to any video that you want from here. Then, tap on the three dots below the video. Now, tap on Share. Here, you will find all the sharing options available. Swipe left and tap on More. Then, select LinkedIn from the options. Now, tap on Share in a post over here. You can add in a caption for the post as well if you want. After that, tap on Post at the top right corner. You have now successfully posted this video to LinkedIn. Now, go back and open up the LinkedIn application. Tap on the profile icon at the top left corner and go to your profile. Scroll down to the Activity section and tap on Show All Posts. You can now view the post you just shared over here. Following these steps, you can easily embed YouTube video in LinkedIn post.